สวัสดีครับ My name is Sinchai, Executive Chef of Chiva-Som International House Resort, Thailand.
สวัสดีครับ My name is Tat, Sous Chef.
To celebrate Global Wellness Day 2022, in this video, we would like to introduce you to plant-based dishes that are high in protein, tasty and importantly, easy to cook at home. Plant-based diets can support healthy living at every age and life stage, but as with any diet, you should plan your plant-based eating to meet your nutritional needs. Some people are concerned about protein when they think about a plant-based diet. In fact, protein can be found in legumes, beans, nuts, seeds, tofu, fruit and vegetable, whole grain. These ingredients are not only rich in protein, but also in all the nutrients needed for a good health. On the menu today, we have a Thai-style spicy fruit salad that will be presented by Chef Tat, and I will present a Thai specialty called Nam Prik Ong, which is a northern Thai-style tomato chili dip served with fresh vegetable crudités. Although both of these dishes are Thai, they are easy and quick to prepare. You can taste the flavor of Thailand right in your own home by simply following this video.
This salad is very refreshing and is a great start to your day in the morning or at a light dinner because it is a nutritious and tasty Thai recipe. The ingredient list and portions are in the description. Today I have green mango, pomelo, pineapple, honeydew melon, and dragon fruit. All of the fruit is cut into small cubes. Green chili. Here you can add as many as you want depending on heat preference. Next, we will make the sauce. All we need is palm sugar, soy sauce, we use it gluten-free, and lime juice. Mix the lime juice, soy sauce, and palm sugar. Stir until dissolved. Now it's time to create our salad. Cut the garlic, chili, and long bean. Then mix. Pour the sauce. And add fruit. Tomato and carrot. Then toast lightly together. Place the combined ingredient on the plate. And sprinkle the nut and seed over the top of the salad. And then on top with the fig. Your delicious spicy tropical fruit salad is ready to eat.
I will show you the next recipe, a specialty northern Thai style tomato chili dip served with fresh vegetable crudités called Nam Prik Ong in Thai. Nam Prik is a kind of chili-based sauce or dip that can be found all over Thailand. Thais eat Nam Prik with fresh or boiled vegetables and rice because Nam Prik has a strong flavor which goes very well with simple meals and help improve the appetite. You can adjust the level of spice based on your own preference. We will start by making chili paste. The ingredients are dry red chili, this is that, and soaked in water. Fresh red chili, coriander root, garlic, shallots, and miso paste. Continue to pound until all the ingredients incorporate to become a paste. The chili paste is now done. On to the next step. To create nam prik ong, we need to use extra firm tofu. Cut it rubbery. Tofu is a good source of protein. Cherry tomato and all tomato are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including support healthy skin, weight loss, heart health, and lycopene can protect the eyes against sun damage. Blanch the tomato in boiling water, then soak in ice cold water. Peel the cherry tomato and slice them into halves. Other ingredients we will use are spring onion, fresh coriander, sea salt, coconut sugar, olive oil, and vegetable stock. Put a saucepan over medium heat, pour in the olive oil, and then add the chili paste in. Stir until fragrant. Carefully add the vegetable stock, then add the tofu. Stir all the ingredients until mixed well, seasoning with salt and coconut sugar. Add the cherry tomato and continue cooking over a low heat until the tomatoes are well cooked. Put into the serving bowl. Garnish with chopped spring onion and coriander leaves. Serve the tomato chili dip with fresh vegetable crudités. Here are some choice of fresh vegetable crudités: cucumber, long beans, baby corn, baby white cabbage, okra, cauliflowers, baby carrots. You can eat the nam prik ong with any vegetable you like, for example, green corn, lettuce, cabbage, or even with bread. Today we presented two Chiva-Som plant-based dishes direct from our menu. We hope you will try them.
Happy Global Wellness Day and thank you for watching.
สวัสดีครับ